Hello, fellow Thunderbird enthusiasts. Nick here with a tip on proportioning valves. Now here I have a 1965 Thunderbird, and the original proportioning valve was toast. And I don't really like having them rebuilt. It's costly. I don't know if I could ever trust them. And so I just put a new one on. As you can see here in the video, I used a Russell proportioning valve, adjustable proportioning valve, and I modified the hose a little bit, the tube that goes from the proportioning valve to the master. So it kind of looks factory a little bit. I mean, not like it was originally, but it looks like it was meant to be that way. It looks pretty good. I had to slightly bend the lower hose to meet it, and then I had to get these fittings because the hoses didn't fit into the valve, so I had to get these fittings to adapt it. And then you just turn the knob to adjust it. See the knob on the end there? Yeah. So this is kind of what it looks like from the top. Sorry for the shaking. I'm using my iPhone. And, you know, it clears the hinge. The hinge will fit nicely in there without interrupting, getting in the way of the proportioning valve or vice versa. And that's it. And this Russell, it's a 654000 Russell adjustable proportioning valve. I've seen them as cheap as about $58 on eBay. I buy them from the auto parts store. They're about 70 bucks, roughly. You know, good luck with that. I've used these for 30 years. They're great. So good luck. Thank you.